Hello and welcome to this LGfL video. In this video we'll look at Microsoft 365 OneDrive recovery using GridStore InstantData. So first of all you must open up a browser and connect to app.gridstore.com and then log in with your GridStore username and password. And over on the left hand side I'm going to choose Microsoft 365 and then I'm going to choose OneDrive. And if I make my way all the way up to the right hand side of the screen, you'll see that there's a recover drop down, and in this case I have two options. So in a previous video we've already recovered back to Microsoft 365 OneDrive. In this case we're going to use InstantData to give us access to the data completely outside of Microsoft 365. So I'm going to choose that option. Then I can specify how long the InstantData link will be active for. So in this case I'm going to set it to 8 hours and I'm going to choose the user who's requested access to the data, in this case 2.7 gig. So at the bottom of the screen I've got the recover button, which I'm now going to click on. This will require authentication back with Microsoft 365. And now a message will be displayed to notify you that the InstantData recovery email has now been sent to that user. So now if I instruct the user to open up their email and go into Outlook, they would have received an email from GridStore with a link on how to get access to our InstantData application. So if I click on that link, you'll see that the browser will download it at the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and then if we launch that file, we can now use permanent file recovery, or in this case temporary access to the data. So if I show you before I launch InstantData that my laptop has a C drive and a D drive, and I'm going to do temporary access, so click on launch, InstantData is now asking what backup you'd like to present, in this case the last backup, and I'm going to use a drive mapping of Z on my device. So I'm just going to simply click on mount. And now that Z drive has appeared on my laptop. So I'm going to click onto the Z drive. I can see the last successful date and time of the backup. I can view my OneDrive data, and if I browse into my test videos location, and let's play one of these videos. As you can see, I've got instant access to all of my data completely outside of Microsoft 365. Thanks ever so much for watching.